Hey guys, welcome back to Lazy Wild Adventures. I'm Justin, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing, review, and install on the WeBoost for the van. See if we can get a better signal and get this uploaded faster. So stick around. Okay, today we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing for the WeBoost vehicle cell signal booster. This is not for total vehicle. This just works when your phone is in this cradle. For me, that's what I needed. So the box, got it from Amazon. Got a refurbished or open box model. So let's get inside. Looks like everything is still inside in good shape. Manual. And it has all the mounting, and looks like we got a aluminum disc to mount with. Paperwork, installation, and looks like a piece of Velcro. I guess we'll find out what all this is for here in a minute. Let's put this back in the back. Alright, now for the good stuff. So here's the cradle, and this stuff feels very well made, feels very solid. And yeah, you can definitely see that this was used, a little dusty there, but it ought to be fine. So we got our boost, we got a cradle, and yeah, you can tell it was been open because everything's just kind of thrown in here. But this is the antenna and the connection, and so I guess this is when you buy stuff used. So this is the sticky's gone. You'd have to replace it to use it, but not a big deal. I'm guessing this is magnetic too. You find something metal. Yeah, that's magnetic also. So dash mount, and your 12-volt plug, and you get quite a bit of cord there. And this is what actually does all the work. I feel like there's something else in there. So this is the actual signal booster itself. So this is what's doing all the hard work for us right here. Set that to the side. Now there was something, just trash. So that's what's inside the box. So pretty self-explanatory. Goes on the roof, goes inside, goes in between. I'm gonna get all this stuff gathered up and start putting it together, get it on the roof, and get it back inside the van. Okay, I didn't see much point in bringing you up here to show you me sticking a magnet on the roof. All I'm really doing is I'm gonna put this and try to, for right now, I'm just gonna run it down inside my door because I'm being lazy. It's gonna be easier for me to bring the camera up here and show you what I'm doing. This rubber piece here, this is the Ram Pro Master, and it's got a little opening right there. I'm gonna get the camera over here so you can see. Okay, so this right here, it's got a little gap in it. Sorry, got a little blurry there. Got a little gap in it, so I just stuck it in there, and it's a magnet, so it's just setting here on top of the van and ran down. And the way my van is built, right inside here, there's a board on the sidewall, and I can run the wire up underneath it. So I'm gonna go inside and do that, and we'll get back to you when it's hooked up and powered up. Alright, this is my attempt to show you that the cradle works and that the cell phone signal increases when you put it into the cradle. So I'm going to try to get this on the screen so you can see the bars. So right now, just for clarity, I have 2 bars. Okay, well now it's 1 bar. So you can see, so we can see the signal. So now I'm going to place it into the cradle. When you place it into the cradle, it does take just a second to recognize what's going on. Right there, we are now at full service. Well, I think that kind of speaks for itself. 2 bars to full service just with this little cradle. And that's with the small antenna. So I'm assuming with the larger antenna, obviously I'll get a larger coverage. But for now, this little antenna is doing just fine. If in the future I choose to update the antenna, I'll definitely let y'all know. Guys, I hope that helped you out in some way. At least let you know that the WeBoost does actually work, and I'm sure that the larger one works even better. I'll put the links to everything that we looked at in the description. Till next time, guys, safe travels and God bless.